The TCL Tab 10, the first 5G tablet from metrobyt-mobile, and this tablet also available to T-Mobile customers. In this video I will provide unboxing and review. I'm gonna also give you some information about plans and how you get some discounts on this tablet. So stay tuned, subscribe to Right to Stick if you haven't, give me a thumbs up, and without any further ado, let's find out. Now, to get this tablet, you have to be an existing metrobyt-mobile customer and you have to add it to your existing account. Now, if you have an account that's active over 30 days, then Metro will give you $100 off on the full price. The full price of this tablet is $250. So when you add this tablet after 30 days from your existing account activation, you are eligible for $100 discount. Means this tablet will cost you $150. In addition to this, you have to purchase 5G unlimited plan, and this will add to your bill $30 a month. Now, by moving to the main specifications, let me kick off with the display. We have 10.1 full high definition display, relatively big screen, which is good for a tablet, with full high definition 1080 60 refresh rate and 223 for the PPI. The PPI is low in my opinion, but this tablet has Next Vision feature, which is improve the brightness and colors. We'll check this out later on in this video, so I have good hope about the display quality for this tablet. Moving to the processor, we have octa-core processor from MediaTek 6853, not too powerful. I will provide more performance for this tablet, especially if you guys want to play video games. We'll check this later on in the video. And we have connectivity with 6 nanometer 5G, and this is only a 5G, so you have to buy the 5G plan, which is $30 unlimited from metrobyt-mobile, which is I already explained that to you. We have 4 GB of RAM, which is decent amount of RAM in my opinion for tablet. As everybody knows, tablet doesn't push the higher specifications. 32 GB of memory, and you can add up to half terabytes for SD card. In my opinion, the memory is not too good for this tablet. There is another variant, but that has to be through T-Mobile only with 64. I would highly recommend this one, but if you are a metrobyt-mobile customer, the only option you have is 32 GB. The software runs on Android 12, which is good in my opinion, and camera is not something we're gonna expect much, but I will provide some samples just to show you how it looks like. 8 megapixel for the rear and 5 for the front facing camera. And by the way, this also has dual Dolby speaker, which is also expecting good quality sound, and this is something we want to see in tablets. And finally would be the battery, and this tablet has massive battery with 8000 milliamp with fast charging 18 watt with charger included in the box. Now let's go ahead, unbox it together, have a look to the box content. I like this box, by the way, provide decent look for the tablet from the front, and the main specifications on the back of the tablet. Let's go ahead and open it and check it out. First we're gonna take that lid. Right away we're gonna see that tablet, and as I said, this tablet seems to me massive tablet. I like this size, so good for people want to take it outdoor, watch movie content. That would be something I would consider, especially 5G provide fast internet speed and you don't need Wi-Fi anywhere you go. Also great for people want to do some business and they need a tablet. So we will have 2 boxes here. Let me go ahead and open. This has the SIM ejector tool, and it will be the instruction guides and manual. And we have another box here. Open from here, we will get the USB-A to USB-C cable. From the other end we have the charger brick, USB-A with 18 watt of quick charge. Let me take the box away. Have another look on this tablet. Here how it's look like, and here's from the back. So we have some textures to the back. It has this matte finish, so fingerprint won't show much on the back. So we have this 8 megapixel camera, and we have some instruction for the SIM card and the SD card, and that should be located from here. and we have a speaker from the bottom, and we should also have another speaker from the top. So we have dual Dolby speaker, which is good thing to see. We have the front facing camera, volume up control, and the power should be from the top. I would like to see the power volume on the same side, but they have different design over here. All build construction will be plastic, and we have the USB-C from there. Let me go ahead and remove the plastic. Now, as always, we're gonna play with it, spend some time, come back with more details. Now, after spending a while with the tablet, let me kick off with the design and build construction. For the build construction, I was not expecting much. The tablet made out of plastic, thick bezel, and nothing fancy. This tablet also not rated waterproof. This tablet doesn't have fingerprint, and by the way, it has face unlock, and I should have no issue since that tablet focused more on performance, 5G connectivity, and large screen. But I have one complaint about this tablet with the design. There will be the location of the camera, and it seems to me that the designer wants to use the phone on the escape mode like this. Either you want to take pictures or watch videos or content like this, which is fine for me. But if you want to grab the tablet in your hands, since we have a speaker from the top and the bottom, the sound will be blocked. I didn't like the fact that this camera located right there on the landscape mode. I would highly recommend to have the camera as any other tablet on the top of the tablet would be a lot much better. Moving to the display, I highly appreciate 10-inch screen, which is, I believe, every tablet has to be 10-inch or more, because when you buy tablet, you tend to use tablet because you want to watch videos, movies. You don't want something small in your hands. Other than that, you can use your cell phone. And this tablet has the next vision technology from TCL. You're not going to be disappointed with the brightness level, colors, even with low specifications. Angle of view is good, colors are vivid. In my opinion, I have no such a complaint about the display. Now, moving to the operating system, the tablet has Android 12 pre-installed out of the box. I'm not sure if this tablet will receive Android 13 in the future, but on the meantime, I would say the Android 12 more stable than Android 13. Maybe they need to push more updates for the Android 13 to get everything as the way it should be. Now, this tablet uses a custom UI from TCL. It offers a bunch of features and some of the pre-installed applications, which is I don't mind to have, since it enhance the experience for the tablet. Like, for instance, if you want to clean the cache on this tablet, go to the recent key over here, and you're gonna see that you have 1.6 available of cache. By just tabbing once, it kills all the megabytes or the cache you have in the background to keep the performance in a great shape, which is something I appreciate. Some other features like the Next Vision app to adjust some colors, vividness on the display, which is something I appreciate. Even if we go to the stats bar over here, you guys will see many options all in one screen, which is something I appreciate. In cell phones with stock Android, you have to go left, right, just to go between all these toggles. Something nice to see over here. But the main problem with most of the custom Android operating system, that this tablet doesn't give you the smoothest experience, especially when you're going from the app drawer to the main menu or moving from app to another. That because the custom Android put more pressure in the processor and make the experience for the software a little bit laggy. Now, the hardware performance is my main biggest complaint about this tablet, for two reasons. First of all, 32 internal memory. I would say for people who wants to buy this tablet, probably a lot of kids won't buy this tablet and they want to play video games, not much storage. Now, even if you have the storage to download the game, I mean, most of the games are not going to run smooth, and the tablet won't give you the best experience. Back to the APU in this tablet, which is MT6853, provide low performance, very entry level. Even Geekbench score show very low score for this processor. So in my opinion, if you're looking for buying this tablet and you're expecting to play video games and you want to get good experience, don't buy this tablet because it won't give you the best experience for the performance. So stay away from this tablet. But if you're willing to buy this tablet for the size of screen, the 5G connectivity to watch video, movies, it should be perfect for you. Now battery. You will be surprised if I tell you this is the best ever tablet I have my hands on with the battery performance. You guys will expect 3 days to use this tablet and up to 25 hours screen time, and this is massive with that 8000 milliamp hour battery. 18 watt of fast charger for 8000 is not much, but it still provide quick charging, so you guys will expect to charge from 0% to 100% within 3 hours and a half, which is decent in my opinion. Yeah, absolutely, the battery in this tablet is masterpiece. Now last but not least will be the camera. It's not something I want to focus on this video, honestly. I took a few pictures, performance was terrible, even outdoor pictures, so it's not something you want to rely on. And by the way, if you want to take pictures using the front facing camera, use on the landscape mode, because it will be very difficult to take good selfie camera. I know people don't buy tablet for the camera, but it's available there if you want to take pictures here or there. Overall, if you want to buy this tablet because you want to get unlimited access to 5G network, you want to done some work, you have business, this is great for you. Large screen, watch videos, content, other things, absolutely a buy. $150 after 30 days from your exist account activation. Good deal in my opinion. If you want this tablet to play video games for performance, for so many apps, this won't give you what you're looking for. That was very much it for that video, and this is Variety Stick. Make sure to subscribe for more videos like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching. As always, we'll talk to you in the next video.
Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet, lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket.